नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन। केमिकल रिएक्शंस क्या होते हैं? केमिकल रिएक्शंस में old bonds are broken and new bonds are formed between atoms and which leads to the formation of new substance। जो भी रिएक्टेंट है उसमें जो बॉन्ड्स है वो ब्रेक हो जाते हैं एंड न्यू बॉन्ड्स आर फॉर्म्ड which leads to the formation of new product। Combination reaction। Combination reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which two substances combine to form one substance। So the reactions in which a single substance is formed is called combination reaction। ऐसी reactions जिसमें सिर्फ एक product बन रहा है that is called combination reaction। Example of combination reaction है formation of slaked lime। Take a beaker, एक beaker ले लेते हैं, add calcium oxide to it, okay? Now after adding calcium oxide, add water to it, right? Now on adding water, what is the observation? The temperature of the beaker rises and compound called slaked lime is formed। यहाँ पे जो कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड यूज होता है फॉर द रिएक्शन इट इज नोन एज क्विक लाइम। सो क्विक लाइम प्लस वाटर फॉर्म्स स्लेक्ड लाइम और यहाँ पे इस रिएक्शन में हीट इवॉल्व हो रही है। तो इस तरह के रिएक्शन को जिसमें हीट इवॉल्व होती है इज कॉल्ड एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन। So this is a combination reaction as well as this is a exothermic reaction। अब ये जो स्लेक्ड लाइम बना है that is the calcium hydroxide। Calcium hydroxide is also known as slaked lime। ये जो slaked lime बना है it is used for whitewashing। It is used for whitewashing walls। Why? The reason is ये जो calcium hydroxide है it reacts with the carbon dioxide of the air and it forms calcium carbonate and water। ये जो calcium carbonate बन रहा है it is formed after 2 or 3 days of whitewashing, okay? It is formed after 2 or 3 days of whitewashing and it gives a shiny finish to the walls, right? The formula for marble, this calcium carbonate, this is also the chemical formula for marble। If chemical formula of marble is asked, you can write it as calcium carbonate। This is the chemical formula for marble। Some more examples of combination reactions: burning of coal। Burning of coal, carbon plus oxygen forming carbon dioxide, तो single product बन रहा है, this is combination reaction। Formation of water from hydrogen and oxygen, तो यहाँ पे hydrogen और oxygen reactant है, water product है, single product formed, so combination reaction। When two or more substances, elements or compounds, they combine to form a single product। Point to be noted, यहाँ पे क्या ध्यान रखना है? You have to remember that a single product is formed। The reactions are called combination reactions। Now the combination reactions in which large amount of heat is evolved, these type of reactions are called exothermic reaction। So reactions in which heat is released along with the formation of product are called exothermic chemical reactions। तो exothermic reactions क्या होती है? Reactions in which heat is evolved during the formation of the product। For example, जब कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड वाटर में डिसॉल्व होता है to form calcium hydroxide, तो beaker in which the reaction is carried out it becomes hot, means during this reaction some heat is given out into the atmosphere and this heat is raising the temperature of the solution and in turn beaker is also becoming hot। Some other examples of exothermic reactions are burning of natural gas। The equation is CH4, that is natural gas, plus oxygen forming carbon dioxide and water। Another example of exothermic reaction is respiration। During digestion, the food is broken down into simpler substance। For example, rice, potatoes, bread contain carbohydrate। राइस में, पोटैटो में, ब्रेड में क्या प्रेजेंट है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज प्रेजेंट। नाउ दिस कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज ब्रोकन डाउन टू फॉर्म ग्लूकोज। कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज ब्रोकन डाउन टू फॉर्म ग्लूकोज। कार्बोहाइड्रेट से बन गया ग्लूकोज। Now this glucose combines with oxygen. ये glucose है C6H12O6. C6H12O6, this is the chemical formula for glucose. This solution of glucose will combine with oxygen, and where will this reaction take place? This will take place inside the cells. So glucose combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, water, and it will give energy. This energy is utilized to carry out various activities. So this process is known as respiration. So carbohydrate is broken down into glucose, and this glucose combines with oxygen present in the cells to give carbon dioxide and H2O and energy. Or you can also say that it is broken down into carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released. This energy is utilized to carry out the various activities. Another example of exothermic reaction is decomposition of vegetable matter into compost. Identify the type of reaction taking place in activity 1.1. Activity 1.1 में heat is evolved during the reaction, so वो exothermic reaction है. Identify the type of reaction taking place in activity 1.1 where heat is given out along with the formation of a single product. So it is a combination reaction, and since heat is given out during the process, during the reaction, it is a exothermic reaction.